Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Larry in Kansas on the new RCI-2970N2. Larry, got it ready to go for you, my friend. Hope you're ready for this beast. We're going to turn the RF power all the way down to start out with, as usual. 5-watt slug. Right at 5 watts carrier. For the 100-watt slug. 40 watts on high. Roll her back down some. Now we're going to show average power swing. Low audio. Low audio. About 90 bird. Peak. 5x position. There's your 250 mark. Low audio. Low audio. About 235, 240. Alright, Larry, it's ready to come to you, my friend. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck CB Sales at gmail.com. Bump up.